Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing barrel twist on my mother's locks. My mother has had her locks in for about a year now and she's tired of doing the same old hairstyles. So I'm going to try to see if I can just do something simple that I don't have to really put too much time into. I love using this mango and lime locking gel. It's not too greasy and it's perfect for her dreads. Every time that I twist dreads, I always twist from the root and work my way up. I'm not gonna twist all the way to the end because her dreads are thin already. Depending on what I'm doing to dreads, I use clips. So for this hairstyle, I will not be using clips. My mother don't like using combs in her hair, so I won't be using a comb to clean up the parts. To start off a barrel twist, you take the first two twists of that section and twist them, creating a 2-strand twist. After that, I'm gonna grab the closest twist and wrap it around the initial twist. When doing barrel twist, you have to make sure that the twist lay right in the middle of that section. So all the twists that are on the left side, I'm gonna twist and bring it to the right, and all the twists that are on the right side, I'm gonna twist and bring it to the left, so that all the twists are meeting in the middle.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. not a game, it's a rich thing.
I'm just showing you guys what I normally do with her ends. Her hair isn't really that long. If it was, then I'd be able to combine them to each other. But this is the finishing look. These are how her barrel twist came out. You guys let me know how I did down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit that bell so you won't miss the next video.